This is a recording of the sewer line at the Chroma Vita Salon. We are recording from the cleanout on the south side of the building, the 4-inch cleanout, pulling backwards from 115 feet. The date is 2/23/18. We'll pull back. There's a little water running, so some of this might be kind of difficult to see. Okay, so we were out in the same main. That's why the water was running. We couldn't see. So that at 85 feet is the main. So that first 20 feet or so was out into the city main. Not your responsibility. That's the city's responsibility. Now that we're back in your pipe, this is your responsibility from here on out. See a pretty good sized root down there right at the city main. Sewer machine cut into that. You can see it cut out a chunk of it, but there's still somewhat large root left around there. Some roots coming in there. Decent, pretty good sized root at 75 feet. The sewer machine went through that twice and there's still that much root left. Rotate the camera so you can see a little better. Pretty good size, smaller root coming in there, 60 feet. Little roots there. This is the 6-inch cleanout that we're coming through. That's located on the east side. That's the one in front of the building on the east side. This is the ABS pipe we're in right now. It's 6-inch plastic. Coming back. Got some water running. Give it a second here. It's actually not really running water. That's kind of sitting water. As you can see, it's not moving. It's kind of a flat spot in the pipe before you get to that 6-inch cleanout. There's a decent sized root still. The sewer line, again, the cutter went through twice through this root, and that's still remaining. See the water, it's a little flat there, still sitting water. Okay, now we're back in the cleanout. There's the cleanout, south side of the building. Technician is Casey. Signing out.